Do you notice a no SIM card error when using your Android phone? Here, you will find a comprehensive guide on resolving the no SIM card problem on Android. Part 1. Why does my Android phone say no SIM card inserted? When your Android phone displays a no SIM card inserted message, it means the device cannot properly detect or read the SIM card. Here are the most common reasons. Loose or misplaced SIM card. The SIM card isn't seated correctly in its tray. Dirty or damaged SIM card. Dust, scratches, or oxidation block the metal contacts. Faulty SIM tray or slot. A damaged SIM slot prevents proper contact. Software or system glitch. Updates or corrupted cache files may interrupt SIM detection. Defective or incompatible SIM card. A worn-out or manually cut SIM may not fit or function correctly. Part 2. What to do if my Android phone says no SIM card inserted. Here are the 12 best solutions to fix the no SIM card error on Android. Solution 1. Restart your phone. Numerous phones will not detect a newly inserted SIM till you restart the phone. Restarting your phone is typically the simplest option for resolving small issues with your Android smartphone of any form. Solution 2. Remove and reinsert SIM. Turn off your Android phone before inserting or removing a SIM card to avoid damage. Check the card for bends or scratches. Newer phones usually have a SIM tray near the power or volume button, while older models may require removing the back cover and battery. Solution 3. Select a carrier or network operator manually. System updates can change settings and cause network disconnections. If the steps differ from your screen, check the manufacturer's website for guidance. 1. Go to the Settings menu and check for the Wireless and Networks option. 2. Select the Mobile Networks from the drop-down menu and click the Network Operators icon. 3. Proceed to look for networks manually. Solution 4. Set the network mode to auto. 1. Go to the Settings menu and check for the Mobile Networks option. 2. Select the network mode and tap on Network Mode 5G LTE 3G to G Auto Connect. Solution 5. Clean the SIM card. Inspect your SIM card for dirt or damage. Gently clean the gold contacts with a soft, dry cloth or air and handle it carefully to prevent damage. Solution 6. Change SIM card. Newer smartphones use smaller SIM trays, so you may need a nano or micro SIM. If you cut a regular SIM to fit, its gold contacts might be damaged, requiring a replacement. Solution 7. Clear cache. Clearing cache data can fix issues, but may cause apps to load slower and require re-login. To clear it, go to Settings Storage Apps App Storage Clear Cache, then confirm deletion. Solution 8. Airplane Mode Alternative. Turning on airplane mode can fix the no SIM card detected error by resetting network connections. Enable it from Quick Settings or the Settings menu. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it off to let your device reconnect. Solution 9. Inspect the SIM tray. A damaged or cracked SIM tray can cause the no SIM card detected error. Replacing the SIM tray may quickly resolve the issue. Solution 10. Use your mobile in safe mode. If you suspect a specific app is causing problems, uninstall it. Use safe mode to test your phone, as it only runs system apps, helping you identify and remove any faulty third-party software. Solution 11. Consult customer service. Check your carrier warranty for service eligibility. Bring your device and IMEI to the service center, where they may repair or replace the SIM slot, SIM card, or phone, or simply update the carrier's database. Solution 12. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset can restore your device to original settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings System Reset Options, erase all data, confirm, and restart before reinserting your SIM.